The Edge Hill JEOL Imaging Centre is home to electron microscopy services, so we've got both scanning and transmission electron microscopes. We're based at Edge Hill University on our Ormskirk campus, and we can provide services across all electron microscopy applications. The transmission electron microscope produces really high magnification images. This can be really useful for imaging nanoparticles of various materials. We can also resin embed bigger samples and after ultra-thin sectioning look inside those samples, and this can be applicable across various industries. Our scanning electron microscopes can be used to get really high resolution images of various sample types. This can include samples that might be required in food production, pharmaceuticals, geology, biomedical applications and beyond. Our microscopes are also equipped with EDS, which allows us to get elemental information about our samples. These microscopes allow us to get really high magnification, high resolution and 3D images, so we can look at things like surface tomography, surface composition, combine all of that together to get lots of information about those samples. All of our equipment here at Edge Hill University, both our electron microscopes and sample preparation equipment, are available to external users. We can provide training and access to our microscopes and facilities for you to image your own samples, or we also operate a service where you can send samples directly to us. We will run your samples and then send back your images and your data. Experienced electron microscopists are also welcome to book in to use our facilities. A very quick brief induction on our specific instruments will enable you to then come in and use our services. Additionally, we are also able to provide academic collaborations. So for those of you working in research, we're happy to work collaboratively with you to provide access to our facilities. If you're interested in using our facilities, please do not hesitate to get in touch. You can contact us via our email address or pop in to see us at the Ormskirk campus.